Hello everyone. Today I am here to discuss with you related to the online job search. My name is Yogesh Raje. I am working as a training and placement officer at ISMR College, Nigdi at MCA department. Today we are going to look for how to search the particular job online and how to apply for that particular job. But before applying, we have to check whether our resume is proper or not. So, are you ready? Okay, let us start with me. So, we are at the page of Aloha Technology. This is a one MNC. We clicked on this career page and we are able to see at this career page there is a vacancy which is called as a software developer, software engineer in bracket PHP. So for this job there is a mention experience as 0 to 3 years, and in the profile section they have mentioned the job description. The job description is required as a good knowledge of PHP, JavaScript and SQL. Another requirement is there from the company as good knowledge of MVC, Cake PHP, Zend, Coordinator, Custom, jQuery or Ajax. So let us, if you want to apply for this job profile, we have to send the email at this hr@alohatechnology.com. But before sending our resume, first we will check whether our resume is proper or not. So for this we are going to use the one site which is called as JobScan. So you can just type here jobscan.co, and after login we will check the resume whether it is proper or not. For demo purpose I have used the resume of my one student. So for that you have to click on this upload resume and select your file. Then the resume will be uploaded here. Or another way is that you can copy and paste your resume at the left hand side of this window, and at the right hand side you have to paste the job description. Now where the job description is, the job description is at this particular position. Okay, now I done the both the steps. That is step number 1, upload the resume, and step number 2, I paste the already pasted the job description. So I will now click on this scan and let us see what will be the result of this particular resume of Rupesh. Now the result says 63% is matched. Okay, now these are the findings. Skill sets. Now we'll see what the findings are. Skills and keywords. You are missing important high skill value on your resume. For example, software developer appears on the job description one time and it is not in your resume. So it means this keyword is required in the resume. Software developer keyword is required in the resume of the Rupesh. Now let us see the job titles. Again the software developer job title provided, it is not found. So again the job, this particular ATS shows that there must be a keyword as a job description. Sorry, software developer. Education is matched. Then again this ATS is given some tip to us. experience section, work industry, professional experience. This work history is not mentioned here, how much experience he is having. So what he is saying, objective is not required, instead of that use the brief summary. The rest is okay, it's okay. See, in the this is the important portion, skill sets. Whatever the skill set mentioned in job description and whatever the skill sets are there available in the resume. So in the resume, Ajax, JavaScript is not mentioned, MVC is not mentioned. So student has to add these skill sets. So if we observe here, before sending this resume, we have to do this modifications. Okay, now what the modifications are? First modification is that he has to use the describe the summary instead of objective. Second modification, he has to use the word that is called as an software developer. This keyword is mentioned, should be mentioned in his resume. And another important for the skill sets, is to mention the skill sets related to the Ajax, JavaScript, as well as another important thing is suggested that he has to mention the work experience. Whatever the work experience is there, that work experience he has to mention. So if now the student will send a resume without doing the changes to this particular email ID, then the chances of resume selection is reduced. And if he will do the changes and then again he will check the match rate, then the chances of resume selection will be more. So students, all you should do this type of scanning before sending the scanning of your resume before sending it to the particular company. Okay, I hope all of you understood this video's objective. So today we discuss about how to scan your resume for the particular job profile and how to check what is matched and what is not matched, and whatever is not matched in your resume for that particular job description, you have to add it in your resume, and after making the correction you have to send it to the HR of that particular company. Yeah, the particular email, add the particular email address which is mentioned by the company. So wish you all the best. Thank you so much.